If you want to check your total playtime on the Epic Games Launcher, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to find how long you've played a game right inside your Epic Games library. This is super useful if you want to track your gaming hours, compare progress, or just see how much time you've spent on a favorite title. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once the launcher is open, go to the Library section. This is where all of your installed and owned games are listed. Now, find the game you want to check the playtime for. You can scroll through your library until you spot it, or use the search bar if you have a lot of games. After you've found the game, move your mouse over the game tile. On some versions of the launcher, you'll need to click the three dots icon, also shown as the menu button, next to the game. On other versions, you can simply right-click the game tile to open the Actions menu. Once the menu appears, look all the way at the bottom. You should see a line that says something like, "You've played," followed by the total amount of time you've spent in that game. This is your total playtime, and it's displayed right there in the launcher without needing any extra tools or downloads. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're clicking on the correct game tile and that the launcher has fully loaded the game details. In some cases, the playtime display may take a moment to appear, especially if the library is still syncing. Also, keep in mind that the playtime shown is based on Epic's tracking for that specific game in your account. Once you know where to look, checking your total playtime takes just a few seconds. Open Library, locate the game, click the three dots or right-click the tile, and read the You've Played time at the bottom of the menu. It's really that simple. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.